It's a stampede. Dude, he's like on his ass though. Oh! It's around 7 cops. We got the helicopter here too now. Now we're rolling, guys. All right.
We will take enforcement action. 60 seconds. Do it now.
Yes, we got the shotgun.
Oh, they're blocking the cops. No way.
We say what? We say who? All about the yeah.
All right, guys, I swear on a stack of Bibles, I'm going to salvage this vlog for you guys. I definitely messed up. I should have gone back to Los Angeles, but I did not. But we got the 2004 VW Phaeton, the V8 variant. It's based off the Bentley chassis of a Flying Spur. We got the interior. Check this out. It's got around 60,000 miles. Let me zoom in. Where is it? There it is. 60,000 miles. This is an absolutely pristine condition, minus the door in the rear there. I guess it got T-boned. Oh, look at that. We got a brown Mr. Sheep just chilling right here. He's holding down the fort, but man, look at all these controls right here for the driver and the passenger seat. If you guys want to see more of Anthony's garage, you gotta let me know in the comments below, guys. We made a quick pit stop here at the M Resort, but check out this, guys. We got another plate. We got Sassy Girl. A3 Sassy Girl. Now, there might not be a lot of supercars or exotic cars in Las Vegas, but dude, I'm telling you guys once again, the license plate game here is 10 out of 10. Okay, you guys won't even believe what we just found. A chrome S-type Jag. Look at the US reflectors. Oh yeah. And it's got a chrome ski box, blacked out wheels, limo tints, got the wing. Dude, JSSA1. The guy apparently said this guy's a regular here. Where are we? The Caesar?
Yeah. Like Caesar's Forum Shops Valet.
The Forum Shops Valet. This guy is a regular here. Wow, look, what the heck happened to... Do you see that?
It's just gone.
It's missing. Look at that, it's hollow. Holy shit. This thing's shiny.
Gotta be a Stradman fan.
Definitely a Stradman fan, yeah, absolutely. Someone really thought this through. And there's Antonio's F-Type right there. I illegally parked on the street. I'm gonna get yelled at any second here, but I don't give a damn. I've seen chrome on a lot of cars, but I've never seen it on an old school Jaguar S-Type with a ski box. Oh, we just got yelled at by the valet. Apparently we're causing a traffic jam, but yep. I don't see no traffic jam, but that's okay, you know, but we're illegally parked. We got the footage for you guys. How this guy, he's causing a traffic jam.
Right.
What's this asshole doing from Colorado?
No hate on the Camaro.
Yeah, man. We got a courtesy Macan GTS nonetheless from Hone Motors at the casinos here. Not sure if you want to be bringing your courtesy cars to the Vegas Strip. But then, guys, we know that EDC is happening this weekend. Oh, yeah. Look at this.
Daddy issues.
Daddy issues. I love KP Tyrone. Bad girl, yay. From Colorado.
Sexy time.
Sexy times and send the nudes. Wow. We're out and about, guys. We just finished up at the casinos. We got Lover Girl right there. Hey, don't honk at me. Dude, wild things in Vegas. We're on a one-way street. It looks like someone drove the wrong way. I mean, just take a look at this. Oh! May I? What do we got? The police here are always busy. Always busy.
Oh, wrecked out.
Wrecked out, yeah. That's the second one in like, what, 30 minutes? Yikes. Dude, we got a crazy woman. Here, I'll send it over to you.
It's EDC weekend, man! Oh yes, they showed all that ass, bitch! I gotta show City last night.
Sorry for the quick interruption from the Vegas content. I decided to come back finally to my hometown here in Los Angeles. Whoa, that guy almost just fucked it up. Do you guys just see that? Or is that just... Oh my God, the drivers here are so bad. All right, so I'm gonna whip out my phone. Here we go. There's some sort of DDE Alex Choi meet on Rodeo Drive at 10 p.m. It's 9:45 p.m. I've taken out the Prius. I've put the SVR in hibernation mode because obviously the 90210 PD are going to come out in full force and pretty much fuck your shit up if things get out of hand. So there's Rodeo Drive. I already seen like 4 or 5 cruisers. Oh. So we're not gonna go that way, we're gonna go around, and we got a, hold on, check this out. I'm gonna slow down. Look at this color on the events door. Whoa, that is super clean. That's sexy. Oh, and another one, nice. 50th anniversary. Dude, I can't even make this up. They have blocked Rodeo Drive on both entrances. All because of one flyer that was posted. Let me pull that up right here. The meet doesn't even start for 13 minutes and it's blocked off. What the fuck? Oh my God, they're that serious about shutting it down. All right, guys, well, we're in the shit, so to speak. We got every imaginable corner blocked off by cops and parking for, they put fucking cones. Look at that. I have a man over here just singing his heart out. And we got more cops over there coming through the wrong way. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's not bad. I wonder if those guys even know about this meet. They probably had no idea and they just stumbled across it. But yeah, it's pretty much game over here, guys. Well, we're just across the street, and I guess one of the officers writing up a ticket or something, or I don't know. Yeah, he's writing up something. Uh-oh. Whoa. He's thinking about it. Oh, no way.
No burnout, nothing.
Whoa, what the hell? It's a stampede. Dude, he's like on his ass though. Oh, no way. What the fuck? Oh no.
Oh, shit.
Damn, son. Oh, there's another one right there in the fucking shadows. Dude, like a ninja in the fucking night, dude.
We say what? We say who? All about the yeah. Cause the gay lifestyle that we lived in, everything that we wanted to make was right. But our kids and everything and everybody's hurting everybody but the places of what they want to seem like they live the place and said, I'm over here on this street. What? I said, what? I'm over here in Beverly Hills and I ain't homeless. But I'll tell you one thing, I'm unfocused.
We just heard Crucial Cali cars making a scene across the block there, but we got 3 cruisers because this guy has no front plate. What the fuck? What a joke. I come back from Vegas first night and this happens, guys. Good Lord. Surely. Whoa, brave. Whoa. No fucks give. Oh no. Here. Yup, here comes the fucking cop. Oh man. Oh, they're blocking the cops. No way. Ooh, that guy. Let's go. All right.
You have 60 seconds to disperse the area. Do it now.
60
Leave
seconds.
the area or we will take enforcement action. 60 seconds. Do it now.
Oh, riot squad.
Nice. Now we're rolling.
Yes. We got the riot squad, baby.
They have the sticks.
Yes, we got the shotguns.
Yes.
They're not fucking around. They're not fucking around. Yes. He's got the
You got the chopper. Hey, look at Stratton. What are you doing here, buddy? 1, 2, 3. There's around 7 cops. We got the helicopter here too now. Now we're rolling, guys. All right. What a beautiful welcome back to Los Angeles. Whoa, what's going on? Dude. What the hell? That chopper's pretty damn low. Where did it go? Where did it go? There we go. there's part 2, I guess. But Beverly Hills edition. Think of all the taxpayers' money that are being wasted with all the resources up in the air on the ground. Those who thought I was joking, we literally do have paparazzi slash night crawler guys with their massive cameras who have no idea what the fuck is going on. They probably heard it on the CB radio. But, yeah. I'm not even joking. Yeah. Awesome. Look at this. Look at these. Look at the fucking squad cars. Dude, you guys want to talk about squad goals? Check this out. And we got the paparazzi. There he is. Get the shot. Yes. We got one more guy over there as well. Yeah. Rolling. There we go. Well, guys, enough police action for one night. I gotta head home, put the Prius away, wake up early and head to the airport. Got a big trip coming up, so stay tuned for that, guys. So thanks for watching, but make sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff. But man, BHPD 90210 going ham. Yikes. Anyways, peace out, guys.